How to change voice on Messenger call. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now if you navigate through the Messenger application right here, unfortunately there is no specific feature or way on how you can change your voice in or on a Messenger call. But what we can go ahead and do is to navigate through the Play Store right here, and once inside we can then go ahead and search for applications voice changer. Now right after, you can go ahead and choose between millions of voice changer applications right here. In our case, let's go ahead and choose this one, and what you can go ahead and do is to go ahead and choose a voice that you want to go ahead and use. Right after, you can just go ahead and tap on the record button to go ahead and record your voice with the voice changer effect, and right after, you can just go ahead and send that recording to the messenger that you want to go ahead and send with. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.